If you don't like complicated tech, but still want to make money online, then stick around. I'm about to show you how to start an online business in just one day using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a super simple, beginner-friendly method to generate sales online. You promote products from other companies and earn commissions when they sell. No need for a fancy website, no product creation, and definitely no dropshipping from China. The key? Building an email list. It's your secret weapon for generating free traffic and sales without spending a fortune on ads. Find a credible mentor, follow a proven system, and join a supportive community that cheers you on. Remember, you don't need to be a tech expert or have a big budget to succeed. With the right mindset, strategies, and support, you can achieve your goals and enjoy the freedom of working on your own terms. Ready to get started? Check out this system and join thousands of others who are already making their dreams a reality. Let's make every second of your day 100% yours.